our 350 pounds NSF ice maker machine. First off, the overall dimensions. We have 22¼ inches in length, depth of 31½ inches. Height with legs. Coming to the top of the ice maker, we have at least 68½ inches in height. Measurement for the ice bin only, at least 46 inches in height. The measurement for the depth of the actual ice maker, we have 23 inches. Measurements for the interior, we have at least 19 inches in length, a depth of at least 28½ inches, and a height from the bottom to the front ceiling of the ice bin, we have at least 35 inches. Those are the measurements for the interior for the ice bin. Coming to the side is a hook to hang the ice scooper, and included will be the water filter and all the necessary components to hook up the ice maker. So all the fittings, filter, and all the line will all be included with this ice maker machine. Coming to the side will be the controls to make the ice for this machine. On and off, clean, thickness, and the volume of ice that you want to make and dispense. On the side is your ETL certification, and in the back, 110 and 120 outlet, along with the water inlet required to have this ice maker running. And again, the components will be included to hook up this unit. For all questions and concerns, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.